Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Noor Diary Frames. In our previous lesson, we learned Jim, Ha, Kha, and Dal. Today we will learn Dhan, Ra, Za. Let's begin our first letter. This is Dhan. The articulation of Zal is the tip of the tongue touches the edge of the upper front teeth. Z, Zal. In English, similar to the, in this, that, the. The common mistake while pronouncing Dhaal is do not say Dal or Dha. Now, say it with me. Dhal, Dhal, Dhal. Hope you got it. Keep practicing. Our next letter is Ra. The articulation of Ra is tip of the tongue near the upper gums, similar to a rolled R. Do not pronounce it like the English R. Ra can be light or heavy. We will study the rules of light and heavy Ra in a future lesson. Let's practice Ra together. Ra, Ra, Ra. Our last letter today is Za. The articulation of Za is the tip of the tongue near the upper front teeth. In English, we say like Z in zoo. Let's practice the letter. Say it with me. Za, Za, Za. At first, Val and Za may look similar, but they are different letters. They have different sounds and different Makhraj. Don't worry if you find them confusing right now. We'll compare them in more detail in the coming lessons, inshallah. Now, quick quiz. Which letter sounds like Z in this? A, Ra, B, Zal. MashaAllah. Today you learned Dhan, Ra, and Za. Episode 4, coming soon. Like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more Arabic lessons. Bye-bye.